So today we are looking at the use of self-ligating brackets. So if you look carefully, this is how the slot of the self-ligating bracket looks like, and this is how we close the door using any regular plier. But you need a special device to open the slot again, to open the door again. So look at it closely. You see the slot closing like a shutter system, and the device opens the door of the bracket, exposing the slot. To insert the wire, you need to push the wire into the slot and then close the door. It's literally closing the shutter. Okay, so you need to hold the wire and press down on the door so that the shutter closes and holds the wire. This is the reason it is called as a self-ligating bracket. Now there are many advantages and disadvantages. That is for next video.